Hello, good day everyone. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Numeric Nest. And in this video, we are going to solve this question, and we have a 2 raised to the power x. This is equal to 8 raised to the power y plus 1. And the second equation is 9 raised to the power y. This is equal to 3 raised to the power x minus 1. And we find the value of x plus y. So let's start. Look at this first equation. We copy the left hand side, which is a 2 raised to the power x is equal to 8, and we write this 8 as a 2 cube, which is equal to 8, and its again power is a y plus 1. So in the next step, look at this right hand side. Here we use this identity, which is a raised to the power n, again power of n is a m. Then we write this as a raised to the power product of n and m. So we apply this identity on this term. So we copy the left hand side, which is a 2 raised to the power x. Using this property, we have a 2 multiply this exponent, multiply this 3 by y, we get 3 times y, multiply this 3 by 1, we get 3. Now at this stage, the base is same, which is a 2. So this implies we can compare their exponent. So we have a x, which is equal to 3 times y plus 3, and we call this is equation number 1. Now look at this second equation. We have a 9 raised to the power y is equal to 3 raised to the power x minus 1, and in the next step we write this 9 as a 9 3 square, which is equal to 9, and its power is a y. It's equal to 3, its power is a x minus 1. Now we again use this identity on left hand side. So we write this as a 3 raised to the power, multiply this 2 by y, we get 2 times y. This is equal to 3 raised to the power x minus 1. Now at this point, the base is same, which is a 3, so we can compare their exponent. So this implies 2 times y, it's equal to x minus 1. We call this as equation number 2. Now we solve equation 1 and 2 and find the value of x and y. So in our equation 1, x is equals to 3 times y plus 1. So here we write 2y, it's equal to x is a 3 times y plus 3 according to the equation 1. This is a minus 1. So we simplify this. So this is our 2 times y, it's equal to 3 times y plus 3, and minus 1 is a plus 2. Now in the next step, we subtract 3 times y on both sides. So 2 times y minus 3 times y, it's equal to 2. 2 times y minus 3 times y is equal to minus y is equal to 2. In the next step, we multiply this equation by minus 1 on both sides, then we get y is equal to minus 2. This is the value of y. Now we find the value of x. First, look at this second equation. Here we put the value of y, which is a minus 2. So this is our 2, and y is a minus 2. It's equal to x minus 1. So multiply this 2 by minus 2, we get minus 4 is equal to x minus 1. In the next step, we add a 1 on both sides of this equation, then we get minus 1 plus minus 4 plus 1 is equal to x, and minus 4 plus 1 is equal to minus 3. So in our question, the value of x is a minus 3, and we find the value of x plus y. So this is a minus 3 plus into minus 2, and this is equal to minus 3 plus minus 2. So minus 3 and minus 2 is equal to minus 5. So in our question, the value of x plus y is equal to minus 5, and we have done. Thank you.